A type of animal-derived tissue is being ground in a bead mill to recover an enzyme. It is estimated that 3000 joules of energy was used to reduce the average particle size of tissue from 1 mm to 0.5 mm. Predict the amount of energy needed to further reduce the particle size to 0.1 mm. Assume that this grinding process follows Rödinger law. So we know Rödinger law relates energy to the size. It is dE is proportional to negative dr over r square. So we integrate, we get energy is equal to k constant, and this expression comes out minus 1 by r from the limits 0 to e, and from initial size is 0.1 mm to the final ground size r1 to r2. So we get an expression that is E is equal to K times 1 over R2, that is the final, that is ground size to the sample size before grinding. This is the Rödinger law. So given data, E is equal to 3000 joule, R1 1 mm, which is 1 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter, R2 0.5 mm, which is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter. Just substitute this value and get the value of K. So plugging in, we get 3000 joule is equal to K times 1 by 1 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 minus R2 0.5 by 1 into 10 raised to the power negative 3. 3000 joules is equal to K times, we just take the 10 power minus 3 common outside, 1 by 0.5 2 and 1 by 1 1. So it has a unit of meter inverse. So 3000 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 joule meter. So K is equal to 3 joule meter. So we need to find the amount of energy required to further reduce the particle size to 0.1 mm. So the initial size is 1 mm and the final size is 0.1 mm. Therefore, E is equal to, we found the value of K to be 3 joule meter, 3 into 1 over R2, that is 0.1 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter minus 1 by the initial size 1 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter is equal to 3 10 raised to the power negative 3 1 by 0.1 10 minus 1. So 3 by 10 raised to the power negative 3 times 9, and K, that is 3 as a unit of joule meter and R as a unit of meter. So E came around 9 3s are 27,000 joule. So the energy required to reduce the particle size to 0.1 mm is approximately 27 kilojoules of energy. Thank you.